Wagwan guys, welcome back to the sauna room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans. Now before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and definitely leave a comment in the comment section box below. So guys, right now, Jahcure Alcock, the big bad Jahcure, and getting himself caught up in some social media danglings, and we're going to show you the video of what really went down with him and some ladies. I don't know what happened. I cannot assume, but what I can do is share with you guys the video that is circulating on social media. But you don't know, say, Jahcure, a big artist in the timeless music from way back when to now. He's still current. His music has no age. But I'm going to show you what going on with him and what going on in our media now. So guys, remember, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button and definitely turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time I upload.
Okay.
And remember that my cousin cannot take you nowhere. Yeah, you better take care of him. Call it Kingston and fuck that boy then. One more when pussy you take me from. Send back my money now, no. I'm going back the whole of my money. If you not fuck her now, I want back both of my money from you and her. That's my mushing up in it.
I don't know how much my ticket was. How much was it?
Oh. My ticket was fucking 600. And hers, if I don't fuck her now, she has to pay me back too.
We'll both pay you back.
Right now.
That's fine. Your Wi-Fi doesn't work up here. We have to go downstairs.
Girl, I'm ready. Let's go down there. Go do it.
Can we finish packing this
Yeah.
after we leave?
Yeah. Y'all don't like fucking peace. Y'all like to fuck up. I've been watching you all morning with a little sneaky movement. Because you like to fuck around men and make problems. I'm watching you in the front of my car and you can't block your knee with a lot of girls because they see you in the car and you're nothing up. Like me and you deaf. So when you go home and you left me in this fucking predicament like, oh, I see Jahcure fucking this girl that was in Kingston fucking this dancer boy in my front of my car, then this shit boy don't think that me and them is fucking size. Some shit boy that beat you in the face over some shit girl, huh? And then you come and feel like you can't style me.
I'm just going to leave back and we'll get out of your way.
Yeah, just fucking say about that stuff. You like to fuck around, I saw you. I observed all morning, you noticed last night? I never came in here and begging a pussy. I came here and I lied down and said you're fucking funny. You're trying to act like you said some of this.
You know that I have kidney disease and diabetes. I can literally show you when
You don't push you, man, nothing. Fuck off, you're lucky. Broke on your hand. You take me for pussy. Because you see, I'm telling you, so no problem. You know how much woman I could have spent and take it upon and enjoy myself and then have so much problem I give me. First thing you do this for the night, go out and buck like this and left me. And build up after that story for me. You know this me, you know. I beat me for beat the two of them in the house, you know. Hey, take this man look like that for my table. Because first of all, this me for good. Things just so we put it on nothing. We come in the house and have AC turned on. And bump up like door open for much hours. Of course, when I take me for a walk. Even if I go to a hotel, you can have a fucking AC and I can window open.
Okay.
If you like they come from left a big tight bill on me, you know what money that's gonna cost me? You make sure you clean up a fucking room before you left.
Okay.
And the bottom of the payment back, the money for the fact that you left yours, me on any problem.
I don't have PayPal to put down all this, but I got you.
PayPal too. One thing I'm sure of, my cousin that ain't taking none of you
We said
nowhere.
we'll get a cab, so we just want to leave right now.
I'm just telling you.
Like,
You know my cousin. You make sure one of
we're
them
not
see
going
I'm
to say a
still
word
far.
to them.
Oh. Kill him now, remember I'm telling you that. Nobody try to make me can sell me out.
Is there a trash can somewhere? No.
There's a garbage downstairs. You've been up here for all day, you know that there's no trash can up here.
That's why we have things to leave. Maybe you
Yeah, we should have taken a bath. I don't know who take it up, but we're going to do that. I don't know.